My personal experience within Christian mysticism has been that during a mystical experience, what happens is your consciousness starts to expand beyond physicality. You start to expand beyond just the body, and you go through the awareness that you are everything in the room, that you're everything around your house. You're the river, you're the trees, you're the sky, but you go beyond that where you become the entire planet. And once you become everything, you go beyond even that. And that's when the non-physicality starts to appear, where direct experiences of reality start to unfold themselves, and it feels like the absolute is revealing onto me a piece of itself, and that creates the feeling of unity. First I experience it as an expansion of consciousness, but then I receive it as a feeling that I actually get to experience. Quick note, my friend. I do energy healing sessions, online teachings, one-to-one sessions, as well as workshops online. So if you're interested in any of the topics of spirituality and going beyond just the physicality, wanting to expand your awareness, click the link down in the description below. I'll see you there. Blessings be upon you, my friend.